Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. I'm really trying to be more consistent these days. I wanted to just come do a really quick tutorial using my Ditto Cosmetics Saturn Shade palette. I have been loving her eyeshadow palettes. I knew that I would the moment that I got them. I was just like, these are so me. So this is the palette that I used today, and it's a really nice palette. I did use a little bit of Urban Decay Electric palette too, just to kind of enhance it a little bit, but overall I'm satisfied with how this look came out. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So first things first, we're going to start with the skin prep. I want to tackle my lips first. They're pretty dry. I'm going to go in with my Covergirl Tinted Lip Oil in the shade 110 Quench. This is from their Clean Fresh collection. My poor lips have been so dry lately. The winter kills my lips. It also kills my hands too. Like, my hands get so dry to the point where they crack. And so I just like to make sure I'm staying as hydrated as possible. Chicago winters are no joke. For the skin, I'm gonna be going in with my Benefit Pores No More Professional. I love this little guy because it really does blur out the skin and just helps minimize the appearance of pores. Now I'm excited because this week in PR I got Urban Decay skin products. I definitely want to go in with their all-nighter face primer. Apparently this is going to last up to 8 hours. Ooh, and that is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, do you see how dry my hands are? Like, I told you, this winter is so brutal. It gets me every time. Ooh, ooh, this feels really nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys, this primer feels really, really great. Goodness gracious. And then they sent over their all-nighter spray, which I love. They sent over the all-nighter ultra matte, great if you have oily skin. And then they also sent over the all-nighter pollution protection too. And so I've been using this all week just before I go to work, completely barefaced. I just spray it because it's supposed to help fight like the free radicals and things like that are in the air. Shake it to wake it. So shake it about 4 or 5 times, and then
Hello.
hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. I love you. Ooh, my skin feels really good.
Yes.
You my hype woman, Shaya?
Yes.
I cleaned off my makeup desk today, and my makeup desk is the desk that I pretty much just throw all of my makeup, all the stuff that I get in like PR, I just kind of throw it on that desk. So I decided to clean off that desk today, and I threw away a ton of stuff, mainly mascaras, and this is what I found in the process. I found this little NYX brow pencil, the little espresso one, so I'm gonna put this to use. Before we do anything else, let me go in with my foundation. Today I think I'm going to use my Covergirl True Blend Matte Made foundation in the shade L30. I found this as well cleaning off my makeup desk, so let's go ahead and put it to use. I want to use my BH Cosmetic V12 brush. This is from their vegan line, and I ordered so many brushes from their vegan line, and let me tell you, I love every single brush. So if you're looking for an affordable brush line that is vegan and you know, they don't test on animals and things like that, this is a great line to purchase from. So I'm just gonna spray this little flat top brush. Just gonna buff this into the skin. I like this brush because this brush is going to give you ultimate coverage with very minimal product, and like barely anything is on the brush, and it just gave me coverage. We're gonna pull it down here so that the foundation isn't a different color than my skin. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, light beige and fair warm. For contour, I'm gonna go in with my Mented L20 stick. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna use my airbrush concealer brush by It Cosmetics. See how this does with the contour. This actually did really good with blending out the contour. I'm just gonna squeeze the brush together like that. I never do the jawline, but I'm gonna try it out today. I'm gonna go in with my Ditto Cosmetics Saturn Shade Palette. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Hexagonal Storm. A little bit of Titan. Gonna go in with a little bit of Dion, or whatever it's called. I'm gonna wet the brush a little bit. Yeah, see, wetting the brush helps that product apply a little bit differently. Pick up a little bit of Saturn's rings. This I'm gonna apply with my finger to really pick it up. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Jilted here. I'm gonna spray my brush, pick up a little bit of Saturn's rings again. Now I'm gonna dust this away. Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Line by MAC. Once I apply it, I'm gonna go in with Urban on top. My camera was not recording, but I pretty much just took this little brush here that had the leftover product on it from the shadow, and I just swept it underneath the eye. I'm going to take this little guy that has that leftover dark purple on there, and I'm going to press it up against my lash line. I went to grab my Urban Decay Stay Naked, the Fix powder in the shade 30NN, and I just want to snatch my nose a little bit. In the past videos, I put it like all underneath my eye, and I realized I don't like doing that because I just feel like it dries me out. But I love how it really cinches the nose because it's so much brighter than the rest of my powder. So I'm just going to go in on like the sides of my nose here, and that's the only place I'm going to put it. For foundation, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics in the shade 230. And then taking my flat brush, I'm just going to go in and press that in to the skin. To really just help snatch it. For my nose, I'm going to take this really dense brush. This is the Crown C523 brush. I'm still using my foundation powder, but when you go in with the product with such a dense brush, it's going to naturally make it darker. You don't necessarily have to go in. Do you see that? You don't even have to go in with the bronzer. It's gonna do the work for you. So now we're gonna set the contour in with my Minted Cosmetics x Ashley Blaine bronzer in the shade Season 1. And for this, I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques 103 brush. It's just this really big, fluffy brush. So it's gonna help the contour go on a lot softer. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Rocket Volume Express Mascara. No! I'm gonna let that dry on up and we'll go in. To remove this mascara that does not belong, I'm just taking a Q-tip and I'm gonna spray it. I'm just gonna lightly go over it. I'm going to go in with my nude lip liner by RK by Kiss, the Ultra Easy lip liner in nude. I'm going to do Try Again by Aaliyah. Lazy Lullaby by MAC. I'm going to take my new all-nighter waterproof setting by Urban Decay. My Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Black Noir. So my Fame Lash package came this week, and so I pretty much just went the lash shopping. So I ordered the Kevin Wade Hey Squirrel lashes. I love Kevin Wade. He's a really great makeup artist, so I was happy to support him with those. What I noticed though is that the Fame Lash packaging has changed, so it just seems like they've just gotten more luxurious. So they went from like the thinner sliding cases to like thicker cases that actually open up like this. I'm really happy to see that there's been some growth with the brand as far as like packaging is concerned. These are the Vegas lashes. These are the Celebrity lashes. And these are Calabasas. Ooh, let's try the Hey Squirrel. I really feel like I'm gonna like the Hey Squirrels by Kevin Wade. Ooh, look, see, Hey Squirrel is so cute. I love this. Ended up going with Hey Squirrel by Kevin Wade. For gloss, I'm going to go in with my Paula Dorf Bay Breeze gloss. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take my spray bottle that I just keep water in. Golden Sweet Lemon for the edge control. Alright you guys, so that is it for the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!